Welcome to East Hampton Kitchen, where we like to say trust your caterer. Today we're making a really beautiful strawberry galette with a Jake Cohen recipe that is 5 simple ingredients. So it's flour, grated butter, water, icy cold vodka, and a little bit of salt. If you use the right proportions and you mix it all together, you get this gorgeous dough. Once it's rolled out, you have the second element of the recipe, which is an almond paste. Oh, it's almond flour, almond extract, vanilla extract, eggs, and sugar, and a little bit of salt. And basically what that does is it creates like a waterproof barrier between your pastry and your fruit. It keeps your fruit, which can be juicy and delicious, from making your pastry soggy, and it just gives everything like a special, beautiful flavor. I'm not a pastry chef, but I do think that a sweet finish to any event is really, really important. So one of the things that we try to do, obviously, is a ton of seasonal ingredients. One great way to incorporate seasonal fruit is in a fruit tart and a little bit of vanilla ice cream to end a long day in the kitchen, where we've made lots and lots of beautiful things and done plenty of research for recipes for summer 2025.